How switch to business account on TikTok? Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your Android. Now you have to open the app. You can see this is the desktop of your TikTok. At the bottom, you will get different options like the home, friends, profile, inbox, and the plus option. Just you have to click off the profile that is present at the last. This type of screen will appear here at the right top corner. There are the three lines. Just click on it, and here click on the settings and the privacy here. We are going to switch to business account on TikTok. At the top there is an option of the account. Click on it, and you can see at the third point there is a option of switch to business account. Click on the switch to business account. This type of screen will appear here. Business account. Hey Mush, welcome to the business accounts. Click on the next. Learn about your audience. Next. Whenever you have to click on it, next. And which type of category you have to select for your business, like I am going to select the beauty. Click on the next option, and you have to write your email address, and you have to can skip it. Profile completed, create a video now, maybe later. And in this way you can create your business account like this. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.